Hello! Welcome to Animal Tales Unleashed, where the wildest stories come to life. From heartwarming rescues to unbelievable animal adventures, we bring to you captivating and interesting tales from the animal kingdom. Whether it's incredible wildlife adventures, adorable animal stories, or fascinating animal facts, this channel is your go-to destination for all things furry, feathered, and ferocious. Get ready to be amazed, inspired, and entertained, because every animal has a story to tell. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, and don't forget to share. Have you ever wondered which animals are the toughest on Earth? Animals in their different kingdoms and species possess various instinctive features which enable them to survive in their habitats. There are some animals that can survive in extreme conditions, such as extreme temperatures, radiation, and dehydration. Regardless of the body sizes, these animals are said to be the toughest animals. Examples of these toughest animals are tardigrades, also known as water bears, dung beetles, bar-headed geese, cockroach, Planarian flatworms, honey badgers, Yeti crabs, Arctic fox, giraffes, yaks. Why are these animals said to be the toughest among most animals on Earth? Below are the unique features each of these animals possess that make them the toughest animals, not minding their body size. Tardigrades. These tiny animals survive in extreme conditions, example, extreme temperatures, radiation, and dehydration. They can survive being frozen in liquid nitrogen, boiled at over 150 degrees centigrade, and exposed to the vacuum of space. They have dagger-like teeth and live in the moist environments all over the world. Dung beetles. These insects have dark, round bodies, 6 legs, and long flying wings folded under hard protective covers. Some male dung beetles have strong horns on their heads too. Dung beetles are so durable in such a way that they can be seen in almost every habitat, including deserts, farmlands, forests, savannas, and mountains. These animals are equipped with super tough body armor known as elytra, which helps them survive being stamped on or even run over by a car. They also have exceptional mechanical performances as well as strength, toughness, and the ability to self-heal. Bar-headed geese. These birds have the ability to fly over high altitudes of 30,000 feet. They develop a powerhouse known as the mitochondria that provides oxygen to supply energy to its cells. Bar-headed geese are unique among vertebrates in that they make annual migrations across mountains ranging at altitudes between 5,500 meters and 7,250 meters. This species is gray and white with 2 horseshoe-shaped brownish-black bars on the back of its white head. This bird exhibits a larger increase in total ventilation by taking up enough oxygen into its respiratory system in response to severe hypoxia. Their ability to fly higher altitudes enables them to escape from their predators. Also, in hunting for food, these birds grasp their prey from the terrestrial environment, then fly back to its nest to feed. Cockroach. This arthropod is one of the obligate lesser-known toughest animals on Earth, regardless of the body size. This animal has many adaptive features, including nocturnal and terrestrial features that help them survive in different environments, including their ability to withstand harsh conditions, reproduce quickly, and sense their surroundings. Cockroaches have a chitinous body which helps them survive in a wide range of temperatures, from freezing cold to extreme heat. This animal is able to survive higher levels of radiation, up to 15 times higher than humans. A cockroach can survive on limited resources, such as glue from postage stamps. Did you know that cockroaches can move around for 5 days with their heads cut off? This is because they do not breathe in air through their mouth. They receive oxygen directly through their thorax down to their segmented bodies. Cockroaches have other adaptive features like thin legs, which help them run away from predators, enemies, exoskeleton, which protects their segmented bodies from being hurt. They possess chitinous wings that help them fly away from their enemies and move to new environments. Cockroaches have an open circulatory system which allows them to breathe through holes in their body segments. This animal eats almost anything, including their own kind, i.e., they feed on their excrements. Some species can even live without water for a long period of time. Cockroaches are called nocturnal animals because they are primarily active at night. This particular behavior makes it easy for them to escape from predators and aids them in means of gathering some food. Planarian Flatworms. These parasites have so many adaptive features that help them to continually survive in their environment. These features include a centralized brain with a nervous system located in the interior part of its body that integrates sensory cues to perform complex behaviors like hunting for food. Planarians have bilateral symmetry, which means they can be dissected into two equal halves and still continue living. Planarians appear to have conquered aging because they have stem cells that allow them to regenerate, i.e., being able to replace any part of their body that is cut off. Planarians have secretory organs that aid in digestion, protection from predators, and locomotion. They have a variety of sensory organs that allow them to integrate sensory cues like touch, smell, taste, temperature, water flow, and light. Planarians have a fascinating ability to regenerate into two separate individuals after damage. They can attach themselves to substance, pulling their body to cleave themselves into two parts, which then regenerate. These parasites can live in fresh water, seawater, and on land. They prefer dark, cool, and moist environments. Honey badgers. This animal is known for its toughness and resilience against predators. Honey badgers possess the following features which helps it to survive in its environment and especially protects it from predators. Honey badgers have a very thick, loose skin that provides protection against bites and stings. This skin can also stretch, allowing them to escape from predators' grips. Honey badgers possess strong, sharp claws that are ideal for digging and climbing. These claws help them access burrows and tree hollows, as well as defend themselves when threatened. These animals are known for their fearless and aggressive acts. They will readily confront larger predators such as lions or hyenas and are not easily intimidated. Honey badgers have a robust immune system, which allows them to survive bites from venomous snakes and stings from insects. They can tolerate venom that would be lethal to many other animals. Their excellent sense of smell aids in locating food, such as honey, insects, and small animals. This ability helps them avoid confrontations and find resources efficiently. As solitary animals, honey badgers can be elusive and difficult for predators to track. Their ability to roam across large territories reduces the chances of encountering threats. Their omnivorous diet allows them to adapt to various environments and food sources, making survival easier in changing conditions. These adaptive features collectively contribute to the honey badger's reputation as one of the toughest animals in the wild, allowing it to thrive despite potential threats from predators. Yeti Crabs. These animals are found living on hydrothermal vents and are thought to eat the bacteria that survive on minerals released. Despite its small eyes and poor eyesight, the Yeti crabs have several unique adaptations to survive the harsh biome of the cold and desolate deep sea floor. Yeti crabs use their large, furry claws to fight off predators and harvest bacteria. The claws have a sharp cutting edge that may be used to tear flesh from prey. The crab's claws are covered in bristle-like hairs called setae that provide a base for bacteria to grow on. The crab setae act as tiny chemical and physical senses to help the crab find food and mates. Arctic fox. This animal is found in an extreme cold habitat. These Arctic foxes live in small, compact bodies that conserve body heat and dense winter fur. An Arctic fox doesn't have white fur all year round. The white only appears in the winter and is perfect for hiding among the snowbanks. Their darker and grayer fur also works great in the grass. Their small stature helps keep them above the snow and keeps them from needing as much to eat as an alpha predator. Arctic foxes dig deep burrows in the snow and get hidden and stay warm. Since Arctic foxes aren't really fighters, they protect themselves through stealth and camouflage. Their feet have a thick layer of fur that acts like snow boots, helping them to move quickly and quietly through the snow. This helps them keep off the radar of any nearby predators. Giraffes. Giraffes have both physical and behavioral adaptations that help them survive and avoid predators, including their size, speed, long legs, and camouflage. Giraffes have excellent eyesight, allowing them to see movement up to a mile away, and a keen sense of hearing that helps them to be safe from predators. Their spotted coat pattern helps to camouflage them in the dry savanna. Giraffes do not hide from their predators. They are able to protect themselves from predators by staying in groups, as it makes it more challenging for the predators. If they need to defend themselves, giraffes have a deadly karate-style kick. They feed primarily on acacia leaves. That is why they are found in the savanna habitat. The only time a giraffe is really vulnerable to one of its natural enemies, which is the lion, is when it is drinking. Ideally, giraffes' body size and structure help them avoid predators, which also contribute to their survival in the environment. Giraffes are tough animals because of their powerful legs, long necks, and ossicones, which are horns used for fighting. Their legs are strong enough to deliver kicks that can kill predators. Giraffes can sprint up to 60 kilometers per hour over short distances. Giraffes have one of the shortest sleep requirements of any animal. They spend most of their time standing up, including when they sleep and give birth. Yaks. Yaks have a unique ability to live under extreme environmental conditions and are able to survive unsheltered through the harsh snowstorms and temperatures below -40 degrees centigrade at high altitudes, about 3,000 to 5,000 meters above sea level. Yaks are tough animals because of their size, strength, and hooks, which helps them defend themselves and survive in dangerous environments. And that wraps up our story about the 10 strongest animals on Earth. Do you agree with our list, or do you have other opinions? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful. And be sure to subscribe to Animal Tales Unleashed for more fascinating stories about the animals around us. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Thanks!